Hey guys, what's up? It's Ashley
and Taylor,
and for today's video we are so excited because we're finally finished our room tours.
We've been working on our room tours since December and we're so excited with how they turned out and can't wait to show you guys.
Let's get right into it.
Okay, so as you walk in my room you can tell that it is a really small space, so it was really important for me to brighten it up and make it look larger than it is. So to get us started, I got this plant from a little place in Steventon called Prickly Pear. The planter that I got with it is from HomeSense. It's like ceramic and wood, totally on trend right now, of course. And then next we have a full-length mirror, which is so important because you have to see your outfits and what you look like before you leave the house. So yeah, that's the start of my room. And this is a little bag that I just got and I thought it looked really cute in my room, so it's gonna just stay on there for a little while. Okay, so moving on, we're going to the bed and the side tables. The side tables are from IKEA. They're super popular, as you probably have seen all over Pinterest and Instagram. And then next I have a little white lamp with some gold and some wood. As you'll be able to notice, I really am trying to incorporate those kind of textures and materials into my room, as well as some black just for some edge. And then I have some little things for my jewelry. Those are from Anthropologie. And then on my bed I have a cute polka dot pillow from IKEA, of course. Bedding is from IKEA. And then the other pillows are from HomeSense. As you are going to be noticing, we love HomeSense, love IKEA, so yeah, there's a lot of that. Okay, so next thing I have to show you guys is probably my favorite thing in my room. I've had this chandelier since I was 16. It was a birthday present from my parents, and I'm telling you, it is moving anywhere that I move. It's like my favorite part of my room and it's never changing. Okay, and then next is the picture that I have above my bed. I actually just got that offline on Etsy, and we'll link it down below, but I just took it to Staples on a USB and we printed it out. Got a frame from IKEA, of course, and yeah, I think it looks really nice in my room. It's quite simple, but just gives a little bit of detail. Okay, and moving on to my next side table, I have some books on top of it, one being the Marc Jacobs and some of them being interior design books. I've had them for honestly ever. And then on top of the books, I have a deer skull, and it's from HomeSense. And let me tell you, everyone hates it, but I love it. So this piece of art is from HomeSense. I saw it 3 years ago and I fell in love with it. Obviously I didn't have the space for it at the time, so I didn't buy it. And then I think just last year, I saw it in the clearance section and 100% had to buy it. And yeah, I think it makes my room, it just gives it like the edge kind of vibe that I'm looking for. Okay, so next up is these dressers. I got them from IKEA, but before I got them, I had two black armoires right here, and they were amazing, but they did take up a lot of space. So I was on the search for something minimalistic, but still was able to carry all of our clothes because me and Ashley have a ton. So yeah, this is one small dresser and then one big one put together. I did post some stories on Instagram about it, and I got so many comments wondering where I got such a big unit from. And yeah, it's IKEA, and it's honestly just to put together. Okay, so moving over here, I got this plant from Home Depot, and then this is from HomeSense, as always. My blah 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 picture is from Chapters, and I am in love with it. I think it's so cool with the black edge frame around it, just makes such an impact. And then of course I got another little plant. I think that's from Prickly Pear again. Anthropologie is the candle, and it smells so good. Like one of my favorite smells. Tom Ford book, Madonna book, obviously from bookstores, and yeah, that's my little corner. Okay, so next is my TV. It's from Costco. It's not a big TV by any means, but it's perfect for this room. And then my boyfriend actually got me Apple TV for Christmas, so thank you for that, Glenn. We use it way too much. It's so nice to be able to sit in bed and not have to go to the media room to watch TV, especially Netflix. And as you can see, I have my cactus, my $3 cactus from HomeSense. If you guys saw our last video, part 1 of our room tour, you would have seen that this was my favorite purchase of the day. a couple candles. This one is from IKEA, and then this one is, of course, from HomeSense. So as you can see, we have a lot of HomeSense, have a lot of IKEA stuff. It's just, you can find so many cool things from there. And yeah, that is my room tour. I hope you guys liked it, and let's move on to Ashley's.
For my room, I really want it to be all white and super chill, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, the bedding is from IKEA, and then this pillow here is from Society 6. We purchased them on the website online, and we got a whole bunch of like little black and white ones. But I thought this one went with my room really well because it's a little sand dollar, and yeah, it goes with like the chill vibe. And this pillow here is from Ralph Lauren. It's actually from HomeSense, and these two pillows are from HomeSense as well. We picked them up during the time that we filmed the room makeover part 1. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to go check it out. It was really fun. Alright, so above my bed I have my surfboard. This is my baby. I actually bought the surfboard because I spent a whole winter in Hawaii around 3 years ago, and that trip was really special to me, and I kind of wanted to pick up like a little bit more from that trip. And yeah, she's a modern surfboard. The plan was to surf on her one day, but I think I've just accepted the fact that she is now stuck to my wall, and she's so beautiful. So yeah, and then I got these really nice wall surfboard hangers from the shop called Pacific Border in Vancouver, and yeah, I think it looks really funky. Okay, and then beside my bed I have a side table from IKEA. I have a milk and honey book. It goes really well with my room, and I actually really love the author of the book. And then I have a little anthropology dish, and it holds all my earrings and my rings, so when I go to bed it's really easy to put them on the side and not lose them. And then I have a fake plant from IKEA because I have a hard time keeping plants alive. Okay, so moving over into this corner here, I have a massive mirror. It is from IKEA, and it's a full-length mirror. I thought it looked so cool in this corner. My dad actually helped me secure it to the wall so it doesn't tip over. And yeah, I've always wanted a mirror like this because Lauren Elizabeth and Claudia Salewski both have a mirror. I think it's either identical or something similar to it, and I thought it always looked super cool. And then moving over here, I have this really healthy plant. It's real. It's the only plant I've been able to keep alive, and I've had it for 3 years. We picked it up at a garden shop in Houston, and the planter that I have the plant sitting in is from HomeSense. It goes with like the wicker beach theme. Yeah, I think it looks really cool. The light I have hanging from my bed is from HomeSense. When it's dark out, it looks so cool because the design on the outside of the light makes like a design on my ceiling and on my walls. And yeah, it's like one of my favorites in my room. Okay, so in this area here, I have my little workspace area. I'm so happy with how it turned out. We actually purchased 2 dressers from IKEA and put the slab countertop over top of them. The problem that we ran into was that the slab of countertops that they sold at our IKEA was too small, so we ended up purchasing 2 slabs and putting them together. Thanks Mom and Dad for helping me out with that. Couldn't have done it without you. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. The problem with my last room was that I had no space to really video edit or do any homework or anything. I was always doing that in my bed, so this is super exciting for a little space for me to be able to be more productive in. And we also ran into the problems with that we had all the clothes into Taylor's room because I never had a dresser in my old room. So now I got 2, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to get more organized. It'll be really nice. Okay, so at this end of my desk, I have our Canon 80D. It's our main DSLR camera for our YouTube videos, and pretty much my baby. And then we also have this Pray for Serve picture. My grandpa actually gifted it to me for Christmas this year. He drew it for me, and I absolutely love it. The quote is from a Malibu surf shop, and yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you, Papa. And then I also have this candle. It's a little pineapple candle from Pier 1 Imports. And then this IKEA plant. It's fake, but it stays green all year round, so it's perfect. Okay, so moving down the desk, I have my new iPhone XR. It is freaking awesome. And then I also have my MacBook Pro. It's the 2016 edition. Without this, I wouldn't be able to edit any YouTube videos or anything. And then I have this little pencil case here. It's just for decoration. None of the pencils are sharpened or anything, so I just like the white and gold and how it looks on the desk. This chair is from Winners. I really liked how it looked, and I thought it was kind of different. Not gonna lie, it's not the comfiest chair to edit with and sit on for hours, so I may be switching that out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see any new updates of our room if we switch anything else up. Okay, and then moving down this way here, I have the retro Hang 10 California Classic poster. I love it. I got it from a little place in the United States called The Connor. I've had it forever now, honestly, since our old house. So yeah, it's one of my favorites for sure. And then I have this IKEA lamp, really cute, white and gold. Goes with everything in my room. And I also have this little agenda to plan out my week and our YouTube video ideas. So this is always going to stay on my desk right here. It'll definitely come in handy. I'm trying to get organized, so this will help me out for sure. And then this little starfish from HomeSense. This here, this pineapple, is from my friend Sarah. She gifted it to me for my birthday. Thank you, Sarah. And then this little candle is from HomeSense as well. And yeah, number 9 is my favorite number, and I thought it was really cute. Alright, so hanging on this wall here, I have the Justin Bieber poster that Taylor picked up for me from the Purpose Tour. I was supposed to go to the concert with her and our friends, but I ended up being in Hawaii during that time. So she checked this poster for me through the rain in Vancouver, and yeah, we got dry mounted and then put into this IKEA frame, and I think it looks so sexy. I'm really happy with it.
Alright, that's it for today's video.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
Also, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the post notifications because we're uploading every Tuesday.
Except for this video. Sorry about that, guys.
So yeah, we'll see you guys on Tuesday.
See you then.